Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Google Play Store on your phone and make sure you're logged into your Google account. This ensures you have access to download apps and that your installation will be linked to your account for easy management. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the search button located at the bottom part of your screen and tap on it. This will bring up a search bar where you can find any app available on the Play Store. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Authenticator. This app is essential for adding an extra layer of security to your accounts through two-factor authentication, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your sensitive information. After you enter your search query, you'll see several results appear on your screen. Look carefully through the results for the app titled Google Authenticator with Google LLC listed as its publisher. It's important to verify the publisher to ensure you're downloading the official app and not a potentially harmful imitation. Once you've found the correct app, go ahead and tap on it. This will take you directly to the Google Authenticator overview page where you can read more about the app's features, view screenshots, and check user reviews if you'd like. When you're ready to proceed, simply tap on the Install button. This will initiate the download and installation process immediately. Once the download has commenced, all you have to do is wait for it to finish. The installation time will depend on your internet connection speed, but it typically only takes a few moments. The great thing is that once the download completes, the app will automatically be installed on your phone without requiring any additional steps from you. You'll then be able to open Google Authenticator and start setting it up to protect your accounts with two-factor authentication. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Authenticator on your Android device, giving you a powerful tool to enhance your online security. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.